happy to present Vettri's clearance sale where we are offering up to 30% discount on select products. All our products are listed online on our website www.vettri.com. We have 4 stores located at Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. So if you are in any of these cities, I welcome you to visit our stores to take a look at the entire collection of gifts. If you are outside any of these cities, you can also reach out to our customer support team at 99622-15000 for any kind of assistance. Do share the video with your friends and family who might be interested to add beautiful and elegant decor and also are looking for a wide collection of gifts for the upcoming events. Now, let me take you through the collection one by one. Let's get started. The first one for today is this very classy dry fruit box that comes in a combination of copper oxidized work and gold oxidized work. This comes with inner partition to store 4 different dry fruits, comes in a size of 12 by 6, a perfect size that you can consider gifting to your loved ones. If you're looking to add dry fruits inside this and present it along with an invitation for an event, this is a perfect gift that they will put to use as well. This particular product is at 30% discount and is priced at $258. A very classy product, a dry fruit box again that comes with digital prints on a solid wood. This comes with an acrylic top and a partition again to store 4 different dry fruits. Very compact in size. This one is a super shipping friendly product that you can consider buying even if you stay abroad. Priced at $559. The next one is a very classy and elegant tissue box that comes with beautiful silver foiling work and floral pattern all throughout. The base is a solid wood on top of which digital prints are done, and there is a provision through which you can keep a tissue. This is a product that is super handy both for personal gifting and corporate gifting. A very classy product priced at $587. A classy and a utility product that you can consider buying for yourself and a great choice of gift that you can give to your loved ones. The base material is metal on top of which we've done digital prints. Comes with a solid wood on the top along with airtight feature. Priced at $258. A metal votive holder that comes in neutral prints with jali cutting work all throughout. Place a block candle inside. This will look super elegant to keep it in your space, both at home and at work. This particular product is priced at a very affordable rate of $125. A metal votive holder that is a great decor piece that you can add to your living space. This comes with a provision of 10 tea light holders where you can place a tea light candle and light it up. This particular votive holder is priced at $356. One of the most trending product at Vettri are crystal diyas. This one comes with brass as base, comes with a detachable wick and crystals adorning on the sides. Lotus pattern, very unique, looks very classy as well. This is a great choice of gift that you can give when it comes to a bulk gifting requirement. Most importantly, priced at $90 only. A set of 2 votive holder. This one comes with very classy design on the outside along with tea light candles. This is a perfect choice of gift to be given for any occasion. This particular votive holder as a set of 2 is priced at $125. A shadow diya, again one of the oldest product at Vettri but has trended a lot. This is a product that will definitely be put to use and appreciated and most importantly priced at $49. A kalash never goes out of trend and is definitely a very important part of any puja ritual. What I'm showing you now is a German silver kalash that comes with intricate engraving work all throughout. Look at this masterpiece. This looks very elegant, looks exactly like silver and can be put to use for a very long time. This German silver kalash is priced at $1,560. A silver photo frame. This one is made of 999 silver sheath on top of which we've printed Lakshmi and Ganesha along with Veena work. This comes with acrylic base, making it very convenient to ship it to any place. This is a great choice of divine gift that you can consider gifting to your loved ones. Priced at $412. Symbolically, gifting a cow is considered very auspicious and considered a symbol of prosperity and good luck. This particular one is made of metal, a very solid piece. Nothing would happen even if it drops. This one comes with beautiful Meena work all throughout. Again, a great choice of return gift that you can consider gifting to your loved ones. Priced at 174. A solid Lakshmi in brass. This one is for sure a great choice of gift that you can buy for yourself or gift to your loved ones. This one comes with antique polishing all throughout, very easy to maintain, weighs approximately 500 grams and is priced at 755. A solid mat that you can use both as a decor and comes with utility value. This one comes with beautiful floral prints all throughout and can be used on either side. This one comes with geometric pattern, looks very classy and cool. Most importantly, a very sturdy one. This placement mat is priced at 335. Whether you are upgrading your space or stocking up gifts, now is the right time when our clearance sale is live. A lot of our beautiful gifts are currently on deep discounts where we are offering up to 30% discount. You can pick and choose the products that you want to shop. Go ahead and shop online for our entire collection of gifts on our website www.vetri.com. We have 4 stores located at T Nagar, Chennai, HSR Layout, Bengaluru, Jayanagar, Bengaluru, and Banjara Hills at Hyderabad. I will link up the address for your easy reference. You can also reach out our customer support team at 9962215000 for any kind of assistance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.